Okay, so here we go. Just some extra practice problems from section 5.3 in case something didn't click in class or you missed class to go over it. So, um, problem number 8. Okay, using the exterior angle inequality theorem. And just to run through that real quick, all that's basically saying is this. We had a theorem earlier on that said, hey, the exterior angle is bigger than its two, or is equal to the sum of its two remote interiors. So angle 3 plus measure of angle 2 equals measure of angle 1. Well, what the exterior angle theorem says is, or the exterior angle inequality theorem says is, hey, since it takes these two guys added up together to make this, obviously these two guys are smaller than this angle. That's all it's saying. So let's see here. Measure greater than angle 2. Well, angle 2 is an interior angle, and I gotta look for its exterior angle. Okay. Well, its exterior angle is angle 4. So angle 4 I know is bigger than angle 2, because again, if I look at the triangle this way here, 4 is an exterior, 2 and 1 are its two remote interior. Is that guy an interior to anything else? Not really. So that's the only thing I can state it for. Measures less than angle, measure, yeah, measures less than angle 4. Well, angle 4 is an exterior angle to 1 and 2. And that's it. That's all it's an exterior angle for as well. So I can't go anywhere else with that. Measures less than measure of angle 5. Well, 5 is an exterior, so 7 and 9 are its two interior. And again, that's all I can go with for those two. Here's where things start to get kind of crazy. Less than 9. Well, 9 is an exterior angle for this triangle here, so 6 and 7. But it's also an exterior angle for this triangle here, so it'd be 3 and 6 together, which is already bigger than 6, so it must be bigger than 3. Oops. So angle 6 and 7, angle 3, and angle 1, and that's it. Okay. Measures greater than angle 9 or angle 8. That's for number 12. I don't know of any for sure. I mean, it looks like 9's bigger because it's an exterior angle, or because it's linear pair, but I really don't know anything for angle 12. So angle 8, so none. And then 13 measures greater than 7. Well, 7 is an exterior angle for 9. Sorry, it's a remote interior for angle 9. It's also a remote interior for angle 5. So there we go. Okay. All right, next, list all sides and angles in order from smallest to greatest. Now, if you know all the sides, it's easy to do then. Already got the side, so the smallest side is BC. It says because it says shortest or smallest, largest. Then it's AB, and then it's AC. Those are easy to do. Angles, though, the smaller the opposite side, the smaller the angle. So angle A is opposite angle as the 1.7, so it's angle A. Angle C is opposite the 2.8, so angle C, and then B is opposite 3.1. There we go. Now for number 6, they try to get tricky with this. They don't give you the missing angle. So 46 plus 87 is 133, which 180 minus that is 47. So angle K is 47. So angles wise, angle J is the smallest, then angle K, then angle L. Now for the sides then, okay, opposite the smallest angle is the smallest side, so LK. Then it's JL. And then opposite the biggest angle is the biggest side, so JK. Okay. And then last but not least, a couple of them that are a little more, I guess I would say, abstract. Okay. So let's do the angles first. They've labeled all the angles. Now here's the thing. I know that in this triangle, it's a right triangle, so Z is the largest angle. So that's taken care of. The question is, what's bigger, angle X or angle Y? Well, if you look at this, they're both 2X. We have to assume that X is positive because we can't assume it's negative because that would give us negative angles possibly. So I have to assume X is positive. So the smallest one is the +1 because 9 is bigger than 1. So smallest angle is angle X, then angle Y, then angle Z. Meaning for sides then, that means the small side has to be YZ, then XZ, than xy. And I know you're saying to yourself, but oh gosh, this looks like it's the smallest one of all of them. But again, whatever x is, double it, add 1, double it, add 2, that guy's going to have to be bigger. Okay. Plus, we could actually solve for this if we wanted to, because I know this is 90, so 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 9 has to equal 90 degrees. 2x plus 10 equals 90. 2x equals 80. X equals 40. So this guy here is 41. This guy here is 49. They just haven't drawn to scale. Now for 23, that's what we're actually going to have to do. We can't really use our trick, although we could say, okay, I'm assuming that, this has got 2 x's and this has got 1 x. Well, this is x minus 1. That'll be less than x plus 6. The question is 2x plus 3 bigger than x plus 6? It could be in the middle there somewhere. So we're going to add them all up. X minus 1 plus x plus 6 plus 2x plus 3. Set it equal to 180. X plus 2x is 4x. Negative 1 plus 6 is 5 plus 3 is 8. Equals 180. Subtract 8. 4x is 172. That gets us x is 43. This is 42. This is 49. And 43 times 2 is 86. 86 plus 3 is 89. So yeah, angles wise, angle M is the smallest. Then it's angle, strike that. Angle M is the biggest. So angle P is the smallest. Then it's angle Q. Then angle M. Meaning for the sides, smallest side must be then MQ. Then it's going to be MP. Then it's going to be PQ. There we go. Okay. Now there's more to this section, but this is kind of a good quick rundown of everything. So if you have any questions, come in. I'll be more than happy to go over all with you. Thanks.